Two-factor authentication, not working on Webull Fix. You're trying to log into your Webull account to check the markets, but your two-factor authentication isn't working. Maybe the app says your code is invalid or you're not getting any code at all. It's annoying, but the good news is the fix is usually simple. Start with the basics, check your phone's time and date. Most people overlook this, but two-factor authentication relies on your device's clock matching Webull servers. Go into your settings, make sure set time automatically is enabled, then try again. If you're using an authentication app like Google Authenticator, Do, or Authy, make sure it's linked to your current device. If you recently switched phones, your authentication codes may not have carry over. In that case, log into Webull on your computer and go to security settings to re-enable two-factor authentication. If you're using SIMS verification, ensure your phone number is still valid and that your carrier allows short code messages. You can even try toggling airplane mode on and off to reset your network connection. If you still get invalid codes, double-check that your Webull app is up to date. Outdated app versions can sometimes fail to sync properly. Try updating or reinstalling the app and attempt logging in again. If you can't regain access after trying these steps, contact Webull customer support. I'll help verify your identity and reset your two-factor authentication settings safely. So, if your Webull two-factor authentication isn't working, don't panic. Sync your phone's time, confirm your linked app, and refresh your connection. With these quick fixes, you'll be back in your account in no time, ready to trade, analyze, and invest without interruption.